Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the advanced reset options and select the second option, reset app preferences, and then tap reset apps, and after that all of the app's settings will be reset to its defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.